Hello everybody, and welcome back. I did something! So, let me let you in on a little Shanna lore. We're doing an unboxing. We're gonna do a bunch of exposition to tell you how we got here today, ladies and gentlemen. So, approximately 1 year. 25 days. Joy? What time is it?
It's 4:37.
1 year, 25 days. 16 hours and something minutes. I have wanted an 85 millimeter lens. I have to concentrate. It's getting really dangerous over here. Today, ladies and gentlemen, hold on. I have to pop them. All of them have to be popped. Single one of them can survive until the morning. They all have to be popped. Oh, there's more. So, throw the box. I'm so excited. I got the f2 version because I don't really shoot at wide apertures, and getting the f2 version saved me approximately $1,100. You may be asking yourself, Shanna, why does 4 aperture stops cost $1,100? I don't know. I really don't know. Anyway, let us do not a pleasing ASMR. Let me not show my address. Oops. Vibey? Aesthetic? Anyway. I'm so... Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. What's a better song? Look at how shiny it is. Look at how matte. It's so pretty. Can you bring my camera so I can put it on right now? I don't know why I did that. What do you mean? Kidding me? I apologize for how loud I am. Shut your mouth. Oh, I love cameras so much. You don't even know. From all... Hold on. I'm so excited about this. Oh my word. Look at it. Oh, there's no card. Oops. Oh, shut your mouth. What do you mean? What do you mean? Shut your mouth. Boy?
What?
Will you peek your head out in the doorway? I'm so happy. So, now that I've blown out your eardrums 5 or 6 times, so much for coming along on this unboxing journey. You should let me take pictures of you. You even. Anyway, see ya. Bye.